this letter?
A.
A for?
Apple.
Now fix this A inside that. Very good. Oh dear, it's too late for pizza now. I'll think what I can make for you in a jiffy. Yes, shall we make galette? With fillings of vegetables you like? You like vegetables, no?
Yeah.
Shall we go and check in the fridge what vegetables we have got?
Yes,
Yes, come, pack your cards. Hi viewers, shall we make galette now? First, we'll make the crust and later we'll do the filling for it. The ingredients for the galette are 2.5 cups maida, half a cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup very cold water and a teaspoon of salt. First, we take the maida in a big bowl.
Big bowl.
Add salt to it. Mix.
Add
Olive oil.
oil.
Again mix. Galette is a flaky, thin crust pie. It is a easy version of pizza. It does not require yeast and it can be made in 45 minutes time. It can be served as a main course or in small portions as a starter in cocktail parties. Do not add the water all at once. Keep drizzling little by little till you make a soft, flaky dough. This does not require much of kneading also. Just mix it till all combined together. This has to be cling wrapped and refrigerated for half an hour. For the filling, heat a skillet. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let it caramelize. Once sugar caramelizes, add in some finely chopped garlic. Stir well till the caramelized sugar coats the garlic. Now add in finely chopped onions. Stir well till the onions turn golden brown. Add chopped vegetables of your choice. We added some yellow and green zucchini, some carrots, some baby corn, some mushrooms. Give 2 to 3 stirs. Add the required amount of salt. Mix in the salt. We'll be doing a fusion filling. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce mixed with 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Stir well till the sauce and the vegetables combine well. Sprinkle some garam masala powder. Check for salt, switch off stove and let the filling cool to room temperature. Very tasty. With the crunchiness of the vegetables combined with the ketchup and Szechuan sauce, it is tasting heavenly. Once the dough is removed from the fridge, after half an hour, divide it into 2. This quantity yields 2 galettes. So cling wrap the other, set aside, roll the first portion into a thin circle of 12 inches. Roll it on a floored surface as thin as possible. When you are rolling it, preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. This can be made healthy also using only whole wheat flour. Once the crust is rolled, transfer it to a silicone mat which is placed on the baking tray. Need not worry about this hanging out because we'll be folding the edges. Apply some oil to the base. Make markings with the fork. This enables even distribution of temperature while the crust is being baked and does not let it rise. Place the filling in the middle, spread it evenly, leaving a gap of 1 inch on the edges. This can be made with minced meat, minced chicken, or can be made in sweet version also with fruits or jams of your choice. As we are making a fusion seasoning, I am adding some Italian herbs also. Place some cheese slices, some fresh basil from our garden, tomato cubes, some slices of jalapenos, few olives too. Now the edges have to be folded like how you drape your sari. Give a egg wash for the crust to brown up. You can also apply 2 tablespoons of milk mixed with a teaspoon of honey and apply for the browning. Bake the galette in a preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. The galette was done in 40 minutes. For even browning, I shifted the pan to the topmost rack, set the knob to toast mode, increased the temperature, toasting it for 5 minutes. The galette almost looks like a thin crust pizza. It is so flaky in spite of being butterless. The olive oil has given it a good taste and adds in the flakiness. See how crispy and flaky the crust has turned into. Your galette is ready to be served. Look at the thin crust.